Hello, hello. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to discuss how I made a time zone converter and how I deployed it. And hopefully, I'm going to start earning from it. So let's get it. All right, let's get started. So this is the project. I'm calling it Apex Galactic, and inside that, I've created a folder called as Real Time Zone Converter. This project is made using AstroJS, and yeah, this entire website is in TypeScript, JavaScript. I'm using the Vercel design language, and I have that skill added to this project. This is, by the way, a completely white coded website, and so I want to show you the prompt that I use because I have kind of documented the prompts that I'm using for this project. And there we are. So this is the prompt. Now this is quite a large prompt, but it has grown over the time. To begin with, I just wanted a website that will allow the user to convert time from, let's say, IST to San Francisco or some other time zone, be it Tokyo, Singapore, anything. So I just gave a prompt, build this website. I want these features, and that was the first draft, right? And this is how my first draft looked like. So it had initially given me a table format where I could select time zones. Then I did not like that design. Then I added the prompts here. And eventually we got to this version. And now I can see that there is this button at the top, which allows me to add a city. So I can add any city. Let's say I want New York time. Now, and I can just say New York. Okay, New York is not there. Okay, so this is a bug. We need to fix this. But since it is US time, we can select, let's say, Washington, DC. And as you can see, a card gets added here below. Now I have my time, which is auto detected by the tool. So wherever you are in the world, if you come to this website, it will auto detect which is your primary time zone, and accordingly, it will show you the current time for your time zone. So that is something I have built. Now I have selected Washington, so it is showing me this Washington card, and it is already showing me the converted time as per the Washington time zone at the present time. So this is current time in Washington. So currently it is 11. It is not 11 a.m. So again, let me just refresh this because okay, this is wrong. Another bug that we need to fix. I think I can change. Yeah, here you can change the time. So now it is 1 p.m. and in Washington DC. When it is 1 p.m. in India, it is 3:30 a.m. in Washington, which is right. Now I also want to add another city, let's say London. So I added London here. So as you can see, it's 8:30 a.m. in London right now. And 8:30 a.m. is like sunrise time, so it is showing a different color on the card. It should actually show a different color for Washington as well, but that's not working. Okay, that also something I need to check. So yeah, so we have now London and Washington for 1 p.m. in India. It's 3:30 in Washington and 8:30 a.m. in London. Now I want to schedule a meeting. Let's say tomorrow, and I don't know what would be a acceptable time slot to these two locations. So let's say I work from 9 to 5 and I decide to meet at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Select this here. Now I get the corresponding times for Washington and London. And then I see Washington. For Washington, it's not very suitable. So then I also see this 24-hour comparison matrix. So based on my location, I see 12 to 11 p.m. times here and the corresponding times for Washington and London. Then let's say I want the overlapping time zone. Then I look at it here. When it's 5 p.m. here, it's 7:30 a.m. So I want something later. So if for them, if they can come online by 9:30 a.m., that will be 7 p.m. my time and 2:30 in London. So that works out. So this way it will help you plan your meetings. And below this, you get some popular time conversions: New Delhi to San Francisco, New York City to London, London to New York City, London to London, New York City to New Delhi, etc., etc., etc. Then below here, you get popular world clocks. So all these cards reflect the time, the current time in these cities. So let's say if I click on China, it's 3:35 p.m. in China, and that is why you are getting this blue color in the background, which is indicative of the noon time. Below here, you can get other different conversions related to PG. Go to world clock, and here I'm able to see that. Yeah, then my entire screen gets reset when I come back. That is fine. For some reason, the New York City background is not showing. That is really weird, because it's 3:35 in New York and it should show dawn time. Somehow it is not again. So this button, if you now when I have selected New York City and if I press open in converter, I will automatically get the New York City card added here, selected here, and I can compare it with London or whatever. So that becomes like my reference. Okay, so when I select 6 a.m. in New York City, I'm getting a background change, but for some reason, when I select 3 a.m., I'm not getting a background change. That is really weird. 2 a.m. also I'm not getting, 1 a.m. also I'm not getting. So that is really weird. A.m. also I'm not getting. 5 a.m. I'm getting. Okay. So now let's go down. Say 11 p.m. I'm getting. I don't know why we don't get a background color between 12 to 4. Yeah, that is something I need to check. So we have discovered 3 bugs up till now. I'm going to work on that. So once you come here, now you can do your time conversion in relation to the city that you have selected. Yeah, that's all the tool that I have built. If you have any suggestions, if you want to add some improvements to this tool, please suggest them in the comment section below. Please leave your comments. What do you think about this? Should I do more such projects? And this site is actually hosted, by the way. So I have hosted it here using Cloudflare, and I've actually bought a domain and hosted my website here. Why is it going to www? Yeah, so I've posted it here. I urge you guys to please go and check this site out, test it. If you find any bugs, please report them to me in the comment section, and I'll be happy to fix them for you guys. If you want to see the GitHub repo for it, currently it's not public. So if there is enough request and demands, I will be happy to make it public for you guys. Just let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.